Welcome to MotorMav. Today we are going to know about the difference between Honda CRV cargo liner and a cargo tray. There are many differences between Honda CRV cargo liner and a cargo tray. Let's take a look at them in glance. Features: size and dimension, ease of use, price. Now, we will discuss those differences in details. Number 1. Comparing the features. The Honda CRV cargo liner protects the whole cargo area, covering the sides, backs, and floor of the second row seats. On the contrary, the Honda CRV cargo tray fits well in the third seat and shields the third seat storage area. Number 2. Size and dimension. Cargo liner is 36.3 x 6.54 by 6.38 inches and its weight is 74 ounces. On the other hand, a Honda CRV cargo tray is 42 x 32 by 3 inches and its weight is generally 15 to 16 ounces. Number 3. Ease of use. The cargo liner helps shield your original cargo space and the Honda CRV cargo tray helps shield the floor in the back storage space. Number 4. Comparing price. Cargo liner's price is between $46 to $161. On the other hand, a cargo tray's price on Amazon is between $28 to $140. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.